Alright, y'all, I'm about to do some smothered okra with sausage and shrimp. So there go my sausage. I'm gonna let my sausage brown down. And we're gonna put this dish together right quick. Alright, y'all, I got about a tablespoon of vegetable oil in my skillet. I'm about to put my okra in there. This is some fresh okra that I cut up. About a quart bag. About a quart bag of fresh okra. Y'all see that? Alright, y'all. In my okra, I'm about to add about a tablespoon of vinegar. Okay. And what that vinegar do is going to help cut that slime. Alright, so let this cook down. And we're going to show you the rest of the steps to this. See there, y'all? Cooking down. It's cooking down. You got to make sure all that slime out of there. This is a small pack of okra, so. Alright. My sausage there. My sausage is done. Get my sausage. And there go my shrimp right there. Got my shrimp. I see my okra almost cooked down. Now I'm about to add my garlic. My 2 cloves of garlic and my onion in there. Alright, and let this saute down. Alright, y'all, I'm about to add me some garlic powder. Oh, stop. Mama handed me the powder, the onion powder. Okay. And my seasoning oil. You can always add more or less later. Is this the open part? Yeah. And let's season oil. Okay, let me stir that in, be right back. Alright, y'all, that's been cooked down like that. I add me a little season to it, and let's add those sauces back to it. Alright, y'all, about to add me some homemade chicken stock to this. Okay, I did about 1 cup of chicken stock, and let's do 1 can of tomato sauce. Okay, stir that in there, and we're gonna let this simmer down. Then it's almost for 30 minutes, 45 minutes. We'll see the time. Then I'm gonna add the shrimp to it. It's gonna be good, yes, sir. Get me some cornbread ready and some rice. Alright, y'all, finna put the top on it and let it smother down. Alright, y'all, my okra done cooked down. Took about 30 minutes. Now I'm about to add the shrimp to it. Always want to add the shrimp last, because it don't take shrimp long to cook. So we have to stir the shrimp in there, and after that, we'll be ready to eat. Alright. Alright, y'all. I can go and turn this off. Y'all see it? There we go. Let me turn it off. Let me give it a stir. And that is how you do your okra, sausage, and shrimp. Alright. That is it, y'all. It's ready.